Hey, chickens! Hey, chickens! All right, I'm going down below, see what the situation is. All right, come with me as we go to the lower part of the yard. See what's down here. Something's been digging here. You can tell because all of the coconut core mulch is on the path. So we'll come down here. See what we got. Hopefully nothing too intense. Might have some branches that fell off, but it's to be expected. It's part of the woods, you know, it used to be a big forest and then people have developed it, and our section remains wooded, but many people, as you can see the neighbors, have cut back theirs. This is our open area that we were working on. Don't really see anything fallen down new. Some of the stuff we'd cut, I think we're going to wood chip when we got to it, but just haven't yet. So, looking good. Trees are looking okay. Nothing seems falling over. Let's head down a little further. See if we've got any updates down here. We didn't really get to this part of the yard property this year, so the path has become a little overgrown, but remains. So let's see. Okay, this guy's still here. These dead ferns. Summer's over, ferns are dead. Okay. Excellent. Grabbed by blackberries. Okay. Looking good, looking good. Nothing seems really any different. Just a little more overgrown. This had already happened previously. The neighbor's tree had fallen on the fence here, which is unfortunate, but it's okay. I don't know if really much anybody else comes back to this part of their property. It certainly doesn't feel like it. So, trying to watch my step as I get down to the back here. There's blackberry. A lot of branches, but nothing. Blackberries grab my feet. And a little fern gully. Looks like maybe something fell back here at some point, but looks more like just dead growth. So I don't really see anything damaged. Falling over. This again right here was part of the previous storm, not this one. Yeah, 50-mile-an-hour winds, and that guy's leaning pretty good up here. I think he's ready to go. I think he's leaning on another tree at the top, maybe. Oh, he looks like he's standing on his own, but he sure looks ready to timber, doesn't he? Well, at least by the angle that he's at, it won't fall onto anybody or anything. It should just fall into the forest here. I'll have to get in there with the chainsaw. See if I can get back to it. Oh, this is deep. Oh my goodness. Ferns and blackberries grabbing me. Freaking blackberries, man. Ow, another one. Oh, no man's land back here. Freaking blackberry should all my friggin' chaps. I think that thing is dead. Here's the base of that tree. See if I can get over to it. I'm not trying to timber anything right now, but hello, blackberry. Hello, all my chaps. Seems pretty sturdy. Just growing crooked as heck. But what do I know about sturdy? I'm not a tree guy. It's wet. We know this is our property because our neighbors cut all their trees down pretty much. So, all right, let's see if we can get back up to my side of the yard there and alright, let's see if I can avoid getting grabbed by too many blackberries. Ugh. Nope. Alright, did better. Alright. From our corner at the edge of the woods, thanks for watching. If you like this visit, please like, subscribe, and consider leaving a comment. Even leaving a heart helps our little forest keep growing.